Welcome to Microsoft Windows XP Professional, the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience the best. Experience Windows XP. Windows XP really delivers. Just click a link on the right to experience Windows XP for yourself. Windows XP features friendly new screens, simplified menus, and a whole lot more. Discover the fresh, streamlined design of Windows XP. Get acquainted with key tasks and basic commands. Windows Desktop. Using Windows XP is simple. First, you'll notice the large area on the screen, called the desktop, and the narrow band at the bottom, called the taskbar. Everything you can do on your computer appears inside frames that are called windows. You can open as many windows at one time as you like, and resize them, move them around, or restack them in any order. Icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Think of them as doorways to the files and programs stored on your computer. Place your mouse over an icon. Text appears identifying its name or contents. To open the file or program, double-click the icon. The first time you start Windows XP, you'll see only one icon, the recycle bin, where you can send files you wish to delete from your computer. Shortcut icons are identified by the small arrow on the lower left corner of the image. These let you access programs, files, folders, disk drives, web pages, printers, other computers. Shortcut icons simply supply links to the programs or files they represent. You can add and delete them without affecting the actual programs or files. Taskbar. Every time you open a window, a button representing it appears on the taskbar. The button disappears when you close a window. The taskbar also contains the Start menu and notification area, where you'll see the clock. Other icons in the notification area can appear temporarily, showing the status of ongoing activities. For instance, the printer icon appears when you send a file to the printer, and disappears when printing is complete. You'll also be reminded in the notification area when new Windows updates are available to download from the Microsoft website. Windows XP keeps the taskbar tidy by consolidating buttons when too many accumulate. For example, buttons representing individual emails are automatically grouped under a single email button. Clicking the button lets you select a specific mail message from a convenient menu. Start menu. The Start menu appeared automatically the first time you ran Windows XP. You can return to the Start menu anytime by clicking the Start button on the taskbar. The Start menu contains everything you need to begin using Windows. From it you can start programs, open files, customize your system with Control Panel, get help by clicking Help and Support, search for items on your computer or the internet by clicking Search, and more. Some commands on the Start menu have a right-facing arrow, which means additional choices are available on a secondary menu. Place your pointer over an item with an arrow and another menu appears. The left side of the Start menu updates with links to the programs you use most frequently. At the top left are fixed or pinned items, shortcuts to things like your internet browser and email program. Files and folders. Each piece of work, or file, can be stored in a folder. Windows XP makes it easy to store files in the places that make the most sense. Place text, image, and music files in the folders titled My Documents, My Pictures, and My Music. Those folders are all easy to find on the right side of the Start menu, and they offer convenient links to the tasks you'll perform most often. Windows, frames within the desktop, display the contents of files and programs. Working with Windows is easy when you know the basics. The name of each window appears at the top, in a title bar. Move a window by dragging it. Click the title bar and, while holding down the mouse button, move the mouse pointer across the computer screen. Shrink a window by clicking the minimize button, located at the right-hand side of the title bar. This reduces the window to a button on the taskbar. Maximize a window by clicking the maximize button, located to the right of the minimize button. This enlarges the window to fill the desktop. Click the button again to restore the window to its original size. Inside a window, browse the menus to see the different commands and tools you can use. When you find the command you want, just click it. If a program needs some information from you before it can complete a command, a dialog box appears. To enter information, you might need to click and type in a text box. Select a choice in a list by clicking the arrow button to show the list, and then clicking the item you want. Choose a single option by clicking a radio button. Place a check mark in a checkbox next to one or more options that you want. If the contents of your file don't fit in the window, drag the scroll bar or click the scroll buttons at the side and or bottom of the window to move the contents up, down, or sideways. To change the window size, click the edge of a window and drag the border to the size you want. Control Panel. Customizing your computer settings is simple with Windows XP Control Panel. Open it by clicking Control Panel on the Start menu. From Control Panel you can change the way Windows XP looks and acts. Add and remove programs or hardware devices. Set up network connections and user accounts. And more. Ending your session. When you want to interrupt your Windows session and let someone else use the computer, go to the Start menu. Click Log Off and then switch user. Windows XP then will be ready to welcome a different user. When everyone's finished, go to the Start menu and click Turn Off Computer. The next time you log on, the welcome screen will be the first thing you'll see. Just click your name, type your password if you have one, and you'll be back at the Windows desktop. And easy personal computing. Windows XP makes personal computing easy and enjoyable. Power, performance, a bright new look, and plenty of help when you need it. Windows XP has it all, along with unmatched dependability and security. Faster, smarter, safer. Windows XP packs the punch you need for top performance and enjoyment. You get all the power and dependability of Microsoft's most advanced operating system technology. And to ensure that your version of Windows XP is always the very latest, automatic updates are available at your command from the Microsoft website. Windows XP delivers greater dependability and increased efficiency. Windows XP works harder, so you can work smarter. Oshier to learn and use. Windows XP brings a brand new visual style to your computer, friendly, fresh, and streamlined. You'll notice cleaner lines, richer colors, smarter organization, and easier ways to get where you want to go and do what you want to do. The simplified Start menu automatically puts your most frequently used programs in plain view, never more than one click away. The updated taskbar organizes files on the fly. An automatic cleanup wizard keeps everything on the desktop neat and tidy. Better help for every task. Find out everything you want to know about Windows XP and your computer. The all-new Help and Support Center in Windows XP is your one-stop shop for clear how-to instructions, engaging start-to-finish articles, troubleshooting advice, free product updates, and there's more. Jump directly to internet communities and trade questions and answers with Windows XP users just like yourself. Should you ever need it, you can allow a support professional or a knowledgeable friend to view your screen and fix a problem for you. Special wizards give you step-by-step instructions to smooth the way when connecting new devices and running new software. Delete an important file? Download a program you wish you hadn't? Use the improved System Restore feature in Windows XP to turn back the clock and restore your system to the way it was before. Unlock the world of digital media. Unlock the exciting world of digital media at home, at work, and on the internet. Enjoy photography, music, videos, computer games, and more. Built-in photo sharing and organization. With Windows XP, viewing photos and sharing them with friends, family, and colleagues couldn't be easier. Just plug in your digital camera and your photos appear instantly, ready for you to edit, email, or print. You can even publish images directly to a website or save them on CD. Or send them to an online retailer for professional quality prints. Optimized for games. The latest Microsoft DirectX technology gives you the enhanced power, performance, and reliability that make Windows XP great for playing computer games. Networking and internet features let you challenge competitors across the hall or across the globe. The connected home and office. Share files, photos, music, even a printer and internet connection, all on a network that is private and secure. Multiple users, a cinch to switch. With Windows XP, it's easier than ever to share a single computer among several users. Each person using the computer can create a separate password-protected account with personalized settings and private files. Multiple accounts can be active on the computer at the same time. Switching back and forth is fast and simple. For example, if someone wants to check email while you're working, they simply switch over to their account. There's no need for you to close your programs and log off. The other user won't see your files while they're working, and when you switch back you won't see theirs. You'll find the screen exactly as you left it. Networks, powerful and practical. Is there more than one computer in your home or office? Connecting them into a network boosts the abilities of every computer on the system. Make team efforts out of big projects like creating reports and spreadsheets. Free up space on smaller computers by centralizing large files like photos and music on one computer, where they can be shared by everyone, even at the same time. Play multiplayer computer games on a whole new level, with each player on a separate computer. Save money by sharing hardware. Networked computers can share the same printer, scanner, fax, even the same internet connection. Family members can surf the web at the same time, from different computers, all on the same phone or other service line. Let the wizard do the work. You don't need to be an expert. A wizard steps you through the entire process of setting up a network for your home or small business. Simply answer a few questions about the computers you wish to link, and the wizard does the rest. Once your network is up and running, Windows XP stays on the job, tracking changes and making adjustments automatically so you'll always get the best performance with the least effort. Data protection, inside and out. Windows XP contains powerful new features designed to keep your computer network running no matter what. Sophisticated protection software guards each computer's operating system, and also establishes a protective barrier, or firewall, that shields the entire network from outside hackers and viruses spread over the internet. Best for business. With Windows XP, you get the proven dependability of Microsoft Windows 2000, enhanced for high-speed performance and even greater reliability. Robust, reliable, compatible. Windows XP Professional marks a new standard in business software, combining enterprise-class performance and reliability with unprecedented ease of use. Built on the rock-solid foundation of Microsoft's proven Windows 2000 technology, Windows XP Professional contains all the features of Microsoft Windows XP Home Edition, and includes new and enhanced features designed especially for business and advanced use. Startup time is faster and your business programs will run better than ever before. See more of your work at one time by stretching it across several monitors. Or view two different programs simultaneously, on computers equipped with a dual interface display adapter. With Microsoft ClearType technology, screen contents are easier to read, especially on laptops. Windows XP Professional is world-ready with multi-language support. Select among 24 languages, a very useful feature if your company spans the globe, with multilingual employees who use different languages but share the same computers. Use a laptop? The enhanced power management features in Windows XP stretch battery life. And with laptops and other PCs you get better control over how your computer uses power. On the road and around the world. Read email, view files, and run programs on your office computer from anywhere in the world. Windows XP Professional's advanced communication features put you in command of the latest mobile computing and cutting-edge wireless technologies. Use Remote Desktop to view the screen of a computer running Windows XP Professional over the internet from any other computer running Windows XP. That means you can go to the office from your laptop, your home computer, or from a client's office on the other side of the globe. It's like being in two places at once. The secure wireless connections in Windows XP let you communicate and collaborate in real time, at the same moment things are happening, using voice, video, and instant messaging. There's no wasting time trying to hook up, you're automatically notified whenever another Windows XP-equipped wireless device is in range. Windows XP Professional allows up to 10 internet or other file sharing connections simultaneously. Network bridging allows communication over wireless, Ethernet, and home phone lines all at the same time. With Windows XP Professional, going mobile means no hassles. You're always connected. More secure, easier to manage. Windows XP Professional features a secure file system with encryption for sensitive information. Security-related administrative settings assure your system remains safe, secure, and private. Windows XP Professional is also designed for easy management. An enhanced backup utility, improved for easier use, makes it simple to regularly copy data onto magnetic tape, zip disks, and other storage media. Automated system recovery can even restore your operating system in case of disk failure. Windows XP Professional can be deployed incrementally throughout your organization. Upgrading individual computers only as needed reduces costs and lets you take advantage of the new technology of Windows XP at your own pace. Business computers linked via Windows 2000 server software are a cinch to upgrade and manage using remote installation services and group policies. These features let you install, configure, and manage individual computers as groups rather than single machines, and monitor them from a centralized location at great savings in time and support costs. Zip is a registered trademark of Iomega Corporation. Copyright 1985 to 2001 Microsoft Corporation. All rights reserved.